So now our session is over, and Jett is already taken to his bed to suck in all that good energy from his photonic therapy session. And I've made a little handout to give to my clients that I can leave them with that explains what to expect from your session, and after the first session, what happens after this session that we just did. So what I basically say here is that during and after the session, you may notice the animal drop its head, it may become sleepy, often experiencing deep sleep. Not to be concerned, this is actually really a good sign. Sometimes dogs become more active. It's hard to predict. And as we proceed onward with the therapy, changes can happen as we go along. So after the second or third treatment, you should notice improvement, although for more chronic conditions, the animal might not be completely better. And for those conditions that have been troubling your animal for a long time, the process will take longer. Be patient as photonic therapy does its work. In Jett's session today, because he's anxious because of the fireworks, hopefully these crazy people will stop lighting fireworks in the days to come, and I feel that we will have a quick improvement torching both the standard points as well as the points for anxiety. I think it should calm him down very quickly. It will usually take 6 to 8 sections to fix all of the most serious or chronic problems, and the sessions should take place every other day. Obviously, if a condition is recently occurred, we can torch every day for 3 or 4 days and then treat it as if it's chronic and continue with every other day sessions. In Jett's situation right now, we don't have to worry about that, but I will explain to the client that if they have issues in the future and they need my help again, these are all considerations. After the first session, I will return in 2 days for a follow-up. And at that time, we can discuss if the client would like me to come every other day to torch their dog, or they can rent a torch from me, and I can show them how to do the points themselves. We will be in constant communication via text, email, or phone calls, whichever the client is more comfortable with. Excuse me. And in 2 weeks, I will return to reassess the situation, basically go through what we did today. And if the client is doing the torching themselves, I will watch them to make sure that they're doing it properly. And then we will just progress from there. If it's a condition that's not a difficult one to deal with, by that time, we should have complete resolution of the issue. And what we'll do then is we could torch the dog twice a week, and then once a week, and then every 2 weeks for maintenance. And if the client has questions at this time, I will answer them, and again, be in close communication with them, so that any issues that they have, I'm right there to answer any questions to make them feel confident in the process going forward.